Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. First open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux 26.04, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release of PostgreSQL Server is 18.3. Click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then select Linux, then click on this Ubuntu. See here, PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu 26.04, 25.10, 24.04 and 22.04. Okay, I am on Ubuntu Linux 26.04. Now we have to run these commands one by one. So copy this one. It is going to install :CA certificates. Paste them one by one, hit enter. CA certificates is already installed. Now it is installing called. This is confirmation, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now import the repository key by running these two commands. Paste it, hit enter. Then copy this entire command. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now create the sources file. See, I am on Ubuntu 26.04, so code name is resolve. Let me show you code name /etc os-release. See here, code name is resolve. No need to replace. Okay, so just create this file. If it is not there, sudo va, paste the path, press I to insert mode, then copy this entire text, then paste it, escape, :wq, exclamation, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server 18.3. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, you need to give 17. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. And these are the suggested plugins. And this is the space needed. Okay, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18.3, and this is the data directory, and these are the default values, like max connections set default value as 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the time zone. Okay, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Let us verify the PostgreSQL Server status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running, and its service status is enabled. Go to Git, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server 18.3, and this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server version. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.3. Go to Git, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for superuser, that is Postgres \du. See, we have only one user. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, got the same. Okay, alter user Postgres with password whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, we have successfully set the password. Now if I list of databases \L, see these are the default databases. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, got the same. Okay, control it. Now create database. Create database. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. You took it. Now switch to this database by using \c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now if I list of tables, see you don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. Exit, we have to use \q or quit, both are same. PSQL -u must be caps. Username is David -h, h means hostname, localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this machine. -d means database, Postgres. Provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now verify the currently logged in user. See, select current _ user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.3 on Ubuntu 26.04. You can't stop or start this Postgres user. Exit. Sudo control L systemctl status stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service stopped or dead. 2 seconds ago. Control L. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Exit. Start it again. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Okay. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbr. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu 26.04 or older versions of the Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.3 on systems Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.